everyone, we have an important update regarding the Federal Investigation Agency. The FIA has uploaded roll number slips for the physical tests of various vacancies. So if you applied for these jobs, listen up! You can now download your official roll number slip from their website. Head over there now and secure your spot for the physical examination. Procedure. First, open the official FIA website. Enter your CNIC number. Complete the question CAPTCHA. Click on the search button will appear on the screen. Your roll number slip will appear on the screen. All candidates are advised to download your slips on time and start preparing for the physical test. Share this important update with others so no candidate misses this information.